Welcome to the Travel Insider, your ultimate guide to the world's most captivating destinations. In today's episode, we embark on an exciting journey to explore the vibrant city of Sydney, Australia. Sydney, a city known for its stunning landmarks, vibrant culture, and culinary delights, has something to offer for every traveler. Join us as we uncover the hidden gems and must-visit attractions that make Sydney truly special. Our first stop is the world-famous Sydney Opera House. This architectural masterpiece is not only an iconic landmark but also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Explore its stunning interiors, which host a range of performances from opera and ballet to theater and live music. Don't miss the opportunity to take a guided tour to learn about its fascinating history and design. Another must-visit attraction is the Sydney Harbour Bridge, an engineering marvel that offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city. Climb to the top for an unforgettable experience or simply enjoy a leisurely stroll across the bridge, taking in the beauty of the harbor and skyline. Immerse yourself in art and culture at the Art Gallery of New South Wales. Discover a vast collection of both Australian and international artworks, ranging from traditional to contemporary pieces. Be sure to check out special exhibitions that showcase diverse artistic expressions. The Sydney Theatre Company is renowned for its world-class performances, featuring both classic and contemporary works. Experience the magic of live theater in intimate venues, where talented actors bring stories to life on stage. Chinatown is a vibrant and bustling neighborhood where you can immerse yourself in Asian culture and culinary delights. Explore the colorful streets filled with Asian shops, markets, and authentic restaurants, offering a wide variety of cuisines. Newtown is a hub of creativity and street art. Take a stroll through its eclectic streets, adorned with vibrant murals and graffiti. Discover unique boutiques, quirky cafes, and live music venues that showcase the neighborhood's alternative and bohemian spirit. Sydney is a culinary paradise, offering a wide array of gastronomic delights. Explore the Sydney Fish Market, where you can indulge in the freshest seafood and savor delectable dishes. Immerse yourself in the waterfront dining experience at Darling Harbour, where you can enjoy breathtaking views while sipping on a glass of fine wine. Don't forget to try the iconic Australian dish, the meat pie, filled with rich flavors and hearty goodness. And to start your day like a true Sydneysider, order a flat white, a perfectly balanced and velvety coffee choice. That concludes our journey through Sydney, Australia. We hope you enjoyed this virtual exploration of its top attractions, cultural insights, and gastronomic delights. Stay tuned for more captivating destinations in our upcoming episodes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join us on our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep being a travel insider.